Hey, what's up, guys? Today is November the 20th. I am out here in the South Fulton Camp Creek area. This is a new client. I think they actually found me on YouTube. I came out here about a few weeks ago. They was renovating the home. Hardwood Floors engineer came in, realized something was wrong with the floors. I'm over here by the airports. There's always planes in this area. So anyway, went out and did a consultation this morning, which was a referral from my good friends and my good buddies up at Advanced Cleaning Systems. They run a rug facility plant, and they pick up and deliver clients' rugs. And the client asked them about her floors, or her engineered floors. So they referred me to her, and I do that vice versa to them. So I went out this morning. It was in Johns Creek area. She booked on the spot for next Monday because she want to get it done before Thanksgiving. So there's 2 cleaning buffs for next Monday. So I have slots open for Tuesday, which I think one of my clients is about to get that Tuesday slot, and then I have one more slot for next Wednesday, and I'm taking off the rest of the week. So what we're going to be doing here, guys, is engineered floors. It got some old poly on it that's kind of starting to peel. 524 square feet. So let me flip this around and show you what we're going to be doing today. All right, guys, so again, we are in the beautiful South Fulton area. This is an engineered floor, and as you guys can see, it's not wax, it's old finish. It's an oil-based finish, and you can kind of see it starting to peel off. And this basically happens, well, first of all, they shouldn't be trying to put oil base on this floor anyway, but this happened because, again, the floor did not get prepped properly, and that's what's causing the finish to fail. And it looks like it's been failing, so it's not like it just happened. So I got Tavares taping off the carpet. They got brand new carpet, but we do that regardless if it was even 20 years old. So we're going to start screening, getting all this old finish off, then clean and prep, and then follow with new coating, water base. And yeah, it's going to make this floor look really, 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 really good. So that's what we're doing. So Tavares is taping off the carpet. So all we're doing, guys, is this foyer, coming back down this hallway, and then into this kitchen. All right, guys, stay tuned. Grab me one of them 80 brick screens, the one I put on the truck this morning. You see the red ones, they're like that, y'all. Got the thing, yeah. They're right there on the side of the truck. Like I just put them on there. Put that back in close to mine. Guys, as you can see, we got a great screen on this floor. Now we're doing a little clean and tacking. Then got a little color correction do here and there. I'm using the clean and prep. One thing I love about the clean and prep product is it has a special unique solvent in it that Recoat puts in it, and what it does, it actually helps soften up the factory finish on the engineered floors. So remember guys, when you see us doing engineered floors, we're just roughing up the top coat. We're not taking it off like polyurethane. And even it depends on the grit that I'm using. I'm not even taking off the poly. I'm just basically giving it a little, you know, what we call a little rough up. So the new finish has something to adhere to, and that's what happened on this floor. Two things went wrong. They didn't properly prep the floor, and second, they used oil base, and that's definitely a no-no. So all right guys, go ahead and do a little few touch-ups here and there, and then I am going to get the finish going. I'm going to be using the Recoat Aqua Pro 2 component. Great product. And you can see I am using the clean and prep. All right guys, we got the coating going down. Floors came out great with the screening. Had to do some color correction. Got that finish going around, really nice and thick coat. Get some good protection on this floor. Like I was telling my assistants, this floor is very popular. Engineered floors are very popular for us because you cannot sand them, and the only resort is either try to restore them with what we do or either replace them. You know, replacing is not fun, and it's not, well, I ain't gonna say it's not cheap, but I mean it's definitely worth the process, but it's definitely not a fun process. Pulling all this wood up, then you gotta grind down the concrete, get it smoothed down, knock off all that glue, and then get the floors prepped for new floors. Job like this, say probably a good week and a half, maybe 2 weeks. And that's one of the things our clients tell me is the convenience of this service. One day, I'm saying most of our jobs, 95% of our jobs are one day. All right, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys, that is gonna do it. We just got back from lunch. Now we're about to head to our job in Catton. We have a clean and buff to do. And I did a job yesterday for Mr. Jackson. He was putting his house on the market, and he called me. He said, "Courtney, the floors look so good, but I thought it was going to be a little bit more shinier." So I told him I'll stop by there. He's putting the house on the market. So I told him I'll stop by there Friday morning, because we're actually going to be in the area doing a screen and recoat with UV cure. And I'll just take one of my topical products that has some sheen to it, well, has more sheen, and put it on top. But guys, these floors came out, they look so much better. And yeah, so all right guys, well, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up with our client and then get ready to head to Catton, Georgia, which is more north, about a good hour, 15-minute drive depending on traffic. And see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.